Hi there, and welcome back to PMN Online. In this video, we are going to cover how to see volume number in TradingView. Understanding volume numbers in TradingView can significantly enhance your trading strategies. Whether you're just starting out or looking to optimize your use of this powerful platform, knowing how to view volume numbers can offer valuable insights. So let's get started and make this process as straightforward as possible. First up, let's add the volume indicator to your chart. Find the Indicators and Strategies icon, which looks like a small microscope, right at the top of the TradingView interface. Click on it, and a search bar will pop up. Type in Volume, and you'll see the built-in volume indicator appear. Select it, and you will immediately notice volume bars show up beneath your main chart. These bars are a visual snapshot of trading volume over time, essential for identifying trends and market shifts. To make these volume values even more practical, consider adding a numerical scale. Hover your mouse over the top of the volume pane, which is right next to the volume bars you just added. A free dot menu will appear. Click on these dots, and you'll see options like Pin to New Left Scale or Move to New Pane below. Choose one, and just like that, a numeric scale will appear alongside the volume bars. This provides a quick, easy-to-understand view of the volume values at a glance. If you're curious to see the exact volume numbers, TradingView makes it easy. Hover your mouse over any of the volume bars, and a tooltip will pop up displaying the exact volume number. This feature is particularly useful when precision is crucial. For those who prefer having these values visible at all times, TradingView has you covered. Right-click on the volume pane, and you'll find a setting to enable Show Indicator Value. Turn this on, and the exact volume numbers will appear directly on your chart for even faster reference. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've transformed your TradingView experience into one that's more detailed and informative. Keeping an eye on volume is a key component of smart trading. And now that you've got those numbers clearly displayed, you're set to make even more informed decisions. Hopefully, this guide helped you easily master how to see volume number in TradingView. If it did, please let us know down in the comment section below. If you want more videos like this, subscribe to the channel PMN Online.